The banks profit when you're financially uneducated because they'll keep you saving money in the bank. They'll keep you in consumer debt.
If you study the banks, your money is a liability to them. That's why they want to loan it out as fast as possible. And when the banks lend it out, that's an investment to them. What I do is I copy close to what the bank is doing. So how do I do it? Glad you asked. Before I start, you have to understand what the bank does with your money. You deposit your money into the banks. Banks lend it out to John. John went to go buy a rental property from Sandy. Now he has to pay the loan back with interest. Sandy goes and deposits the money she got from John, and guess where she put it? Right back in the bank. The bank is getting money from John, and they can start loaning the money they got that Sandy deposit. They'll just keep on repeating it over and over again. Now here's how to copy them. Funnel your money into these life insurance policy. You take a loan against your policy, buy a rental property. Instead of paying the bank back, you pay back the loan that you collateralized against your policy. Now you're getting your increase in cash value, death benefit, and the rental property, and you just repeat it again. And if you want to learn how to do it, click the link in my bio and I'll show you.